Hey everybody, Chris Honig here at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, and today I'm aboard our brand new 2025 Scout 175 Dorado. This is the start in the Dorado series for Scout, and they built a great boat with a fantastic layout for all your friends and family to get out to your favorite island or to do water sports or even fishing. We're going to start on the back of the transom. We have the upgraded Yamaha 115 motor on here, 4-stroke, Baystar hydraulic steering, so very easy to drive and maneuver, easy up on plane. It can still handle towing your water sports with tubing and other activities. Swim platform on the port side, easy on and off. You have removable backrests. Those will turn into rod holders on the back of the boat. And then you have a live well on your port side as well, and then storage on the starboard side. Self-bailing with this boat, so if it's in the water, all your on-deck draining's going right out, not going into your bilge pump and using that, so a nice peace of mind when you're away from the boat. Some great seating area with your captain's chairs that rotate 360, so you can have some good seating area here with 4. And then nice having your dual split consoles with grab rails so you can stand up driving. You got tilt steering wheel, and then your throttle system so you can feel comfortable driving up or sitting down with great visibility on this boat. We have Seastar trim tabs on here so you can level out everybody when you're underway. Fusion Bluetooth stereo and phone charging systems are some of the notable accessories on here. Now we get to the forward part of the boat, which is a fantastic layout that really no one else has in this 17.5-foot size. Really nice lounge seats, storage underneath both seats, and everything's finished out on Scout. You can see all the gel coat, so there's no raw fiberglass anywhere on the boat. Bow cushion, and then really nice storage under here. This is our full boat cover that comes with the boat, so nice to be able to store that. And then separate anchor locker onto the bow so you don't have to dig under cushions or anything, but huge anchor locker. Pop-up cleats, we got the bow rail on this, so if you have some smaller kids, they're able to hold on and you're not having to be right on them when you're on the boat. 7'5" is your beam on here. Again, 17.5 feet overall, 28-gallon fuel capacity, gets into 10 inches of water with the outboard up, so a boat that can really handle all your activities out in the water. Crystal blue hull, which you'll be able to see from the pictures. Bimini top, again, a great boat to get started out in with boating, or if you just need something small to scoot around with the family, fits up to 6 people on board. So if you'd like to see this boat or any others, my name is Chris Honig and love to show you this one. This is our 2025 Scout 175 Dorado, and look forward to getting you out in the water today.